Hi, good evening, since it is already evening here when I'm filming this. But anyways, hi, my name is Chrysson Consina, and this is my tree planting video for CWTS. Now, for this video, I am going to be planting a tree sapling. Yes, a baby lemon tree. Now, why did I choose a lemon tree? Well, for starters, we don't have a lemon tree, and that's why I'm going to plant one. And ang benefits ng ating lemon, well yeah, lemons in general, are for the immune system. Kasi nga family sila ng oranges, which are very high on, they are all high on the vitamin C. And it also, manages on digestive system. Yes, that also helps that. And for skincare, pwede yan sa balat. And, what else? Ayun, it helps manages weight loss. That is a fact. Yung inom ka lang ng isang lemon kada umaga, every morning, di ba? Energized ka na. Yun, isa pa yun. Energized, and yeah, dagdag sugar. Alam ko may natural sugars siya. I think so. Pero enough about that. Here's the tree planting process now. So ito na guys, we're going to put down our lemon tree sapling gently into the dug up hole. And by the way, the hole is 6.5 inches. Yes sir. Yep, medyo mababaw pa siya and dapat malalim. But I will explain later why. Pero anyways, ito na po yan. We're going to gently, baba ko lang po yung phone ng saglit. Yun. So yun nga, medyo kapos siya ng mga 3 to mga 3 inches. Oo, yung lalim 3 to 4 inches nga. Pero anyways, yan. Ito, tatabunan na po natin ng, actually, this is a newly dug up fertilizer and garden soil sa likod po ng aming bahay. And then again, later, i-explain ko din kung bakit and yeah, why this place, why this area in particular. Pero yeah, after the video, I will explain po. So anyways, yeah, dahan-dahan po nating tabunan ng ating newly dug up soil with a mixture of fertilizer. Yan. Yan po yung final look niya. Hello again. So as you can see, nakalubog na ang ating araw. So ayun, yun na po yung pag-plant po nating halaman. And sa pangatlong beses ko pong ulitin na this is a temporary spot place lang sa ating lemon tree sapling po dito. And siguro by this weekend or probably next week, pero as much as possible this weekend, malipat na rin po natin. Maghuhukay po ako ulit ng panibagong hole na mas deeper kaysa dito sa hole na to, kasi nagmumukha siyang burol. Yeah, it's sticking out. Anyways, so ayun, yeah, ako nilalamok na po dito. So yeah, maaga na po tayo magtatapos. Ito nga pala po ulit ang tree planting video ko. This is Chrysson Consina, by the way. And yeah, thank you for watching my video.